everybody, welcome back to my IG channel, and today I'm featuring Fenty Beauty. So Fenty came up with a couple of new eyeshadow palettes. It's available at Sephora, most places, and the one that I've got is number 5 and it's the peach color tones. I've been loving this eyeshadow palette, and I mean, to be honest with you, this is something that I've been using ever since I bought it because I love how natural the color looks on my skin tone. And everyone who knows me, I try to make my makeup very natural, like it's there but not there, that kind of look. And so far Fenty has been doing its job. It's not just that the colors are very natural, but they are also very pigmented and very sweet. So you can see the color tones. So if you want it on a natural day, you go here, and if you want to spice it up at night, then you go over here. So yeah, so I hope you enjoy my tutorial today. Give me a like, comment, and also share. I hope you enjoy it.